Bye, Sophia. Oh, what? It's a bird. I hear it tweeting. Hi, baby. Hi, Sophia.
No.
You wanna go that way? Whoa. It's a new way of pushing your baby. Push and release. From down low. From up high. From in the middle. Two-handed.
Mama.
Bye-bye, Sophia.
Mama.
Bye-bye, Sophia. That's Miss Meredith. She's coming over with baby Bridget. Wave at the camera. Is there a baby passed out in there?
She's out again. No chance.
She's gumming. I see her gumming. Do you want to go back to the house? She's all pushing her baby all over the place. At least she's not making me do it. She's just like, oh, I carry her and carry the thing at the same time. Pure laziness. She is our daughter, after all. Come on, Soph. Come on. Push, 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 push. Push that baby, Sophia. And Mama. Let's go see baby Bridget. Come on, Soph.